English grammar test. There are 20 questions with answers in this test. You will have 15 seconds for each question. Does she speak French? She doesn't come from America. Every time he has a glass of lemonade before breakfast. Does he have 3 children? Have a shower. Answer the phone. She wears a white coat. Read a magazine. Our teacher gives us a lot of homework. He watches television every evening. At 10 we go to bed. He picks up the apples from the tree. Get on the bus. She lives in Switzerland. A nurse looks after people in the hospital. There's a letter for you. Tourists come by boat. He drives the children to school. He speaks to people on his radio. She likes going for walks in summer. Write in the comments your number of correct answers. Thanks for watching.